everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a sugar scrub. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you weren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need: sugar, coconut oil, a spoon, honey or vanilla extract, and a small container or a cup. Step 1. Measure out 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and put it into your cup. Stick it in the microwave for a few seconds until it has mostly melted. I did this step before I started recording. Step 2. Measure out 1 tablespoon of sugar and thoroughly mix it into the coconut oil. Step 3. Once you've mixed that well, add 1 more tablespoon of sugar and stir. Step 4. This step is totally optional, but if you have something like honey or vanilla extract, you can add it to your sugar scrub. Step 5. Use your scrub. You can use it to exfoliate your hands, or you can use it on your lips when they're dry. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We will be making no-sew plushies. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.